for result. R for result. Now this is a formula for success. This is a formula for failure. T plus E plus A equals R. Can you say that? T plus E plus A equals R. Let's go again. T plus E plus A equals R. It means that your thoughts plus your emotions plus your actions equals result. How you think will determine how you feel, and how you feel will produce how you act, and how you act will determine the results. So your results are not by mistake, they are very predictable. You can always predict your results. So if you think negative, you are going to feel negative, you are going to act negative and produce negative results. Now you wonder why you can